It's been days since I ordered these and today it got delivered. And guess what? I'm already obsessed with these. I just bruised myself. I just can't stop playing with this. It's so like addictive. I got this for my friend and I got this for myself. This one is the clover leaf. I got it in pink. I know this might be annoying for some people, but I am kind of loving this. This feels so satisfying. One is the keyboard, as this would be perfect for him. So, yeah. Also, the page where I've ordered these from have like really cute stuff. You know what? Never mind. I'm just sharing my joy with you all. Bye.